Okay, let's be real for a second. AI is moving so fast it feels impossible to keep up. Every week there's a new model, a new tool, a new company saying we've built the future. And you're probably thinking, okay, so how the hell am I supposed to compete with this? Because yeah, AI can already write essays, build websites, debug code, make art, even spit out a song that sounds like your favorite band. So then what's left for us? Well, here's the twist. There's one skill that will always keep you ahead. And no, it's not coding, it's not prompt engineering, it's not learning every single AI tool that drops. So the number one skill to outpace AI is adaptability. I mean, just think about it. Technology has always disrupted jobs. When the iPhone launched, it killed off cameras, MP3 players, GPS devices, entire industries wiped out. But the people who adapted, they built apps, launched new businesses, and created jobs that didn't even exist before. And it's exactly the same thing with remote work during the pandemic. Some people resisted change, waiting for normal to come back, while others adapted, learned Zoom, built online businesses, and shifted careers. Guess which group thrived? And now we're at the AI wave. Same story, the people who adapt will stay ahead. The ones who don't, well, they'll be left wondering what happened. But now here's the catch. Adaptability isn't just about learning new skills, it's also about unlearning old ones. And that's hard. We get attached to the way we've always done things. We think, I'm a programmer, this is how I code. But suddenly AI is coding alongside you and your real value shifts from writing every line yourself to directing, editing, and problem solving at a higher level. Most people will resist that change, but the ones who embrace it, they'll leap ahead. Right now most people are scared. They're asking, will AI replace my job? But that's the wrong question. The right question is, how can I adapt faster than AI can evolve? And here's the good news. AI isn't some unbeatable god. It's a tool. It's fast, it's powerful, but it's also rigid. It doesn't improvise, it doesn't question its assumptions, it doesn't adapt on the fly the way humans can. And that right there, that's your edge. The human brain thrives in uncertainty. We can shift gears, change plans, reinvent ourselves. That's what AI can't do. So yeah, learn coding, learn prompting, learn the tools, but don't get obsessed with any one skill, because tools change, jobs change, whole industries disappear. But adaptability, that never goes out of style. In fact, I'd argue adaptability might be the last great human advantage, because the people who can roll with change instead of fighting it, they're the ones who won't just survive AI, they'll actually thrive with it. So what's the number one skill to outpace AI? Of course, adaptability. Because whether it's AI, the economy, or the next big disruption we can't see coming, one thing is certain. The world is going to keep changing faster than we're comfortable with.